Introducing Ardell Magnetic Accents, the hassle-free way to achieve stunning lashes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply these magnetic lashes for a flawless and effortless look. Let's get started. Hi everyone, how are you doing today? I'm going to be demonstrating how to apply Ardell Magnetic Accents, the perfect solution for quick and easy lash enhancement. Now, here is what you'll need to apply the lashes. You'll need a pair of Ardell Magnetic Accents. You're going to need some mascara and a fairly small pair of scissors. So we've got all that here. So first, let's make sure the Ardell Magnetic Accents fit your eye shape. And so let me just open the box. And so what I'm gonna do is I just kind of like mine to fit on the edge of my lashes because I don't like them to go across my entire eyes, because sometimes, you know, as the day goes by, they can kind of irritate my eyes. Everyone's different, but that's just me. So I've already kind of pre-cut mine before I started this video, and took off some excess hair on the sides and stuff like that, and then I kind of trimmed down the length. Okay, so to each his own. You can do this and so what you want to do is just hold it against your lash line like this, and it looks like to me it's pretty good. Now if the strip is too long, then you just want to trim it from the outer corners using a small pair of scissors, just kind of like this. You can get these from Walmart or anywhere. So I do apologize, but I've already trimmed them, so it looks like they're about ready to go. Just remember that it's better to trim less at first. You don't want to trim a lot because you can always cut more off if you need to. Okay, so once you've got the perfect fit, it's time to go ahead and apply the top lash. Okay, so you may see me touching my phone here. I'm just simply stopping and pausing the video. And so that's what I'm doing. So what you want to do is start by applying a coat of mascara to your natural lashes. So I'm going to sit this down and start the application. So when you do this, this is going to help blend them seamlessly with the Ardell Magnetic Lash, the accent. So I've got the mascara already applied on one of my eyes. And I've also got some tweezers here to kind of help me with the lash. So let's get to the magnetic magic. So what I'm going to do is take the top lash strip and position it above my natural lash line. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see that, I've got this here. Please bear with me, this is my first time doing this, so please don't laugh at me if I mess up. Okay, again, you want to align it with the inner corner of your eye and just gently press down towards the outer corner. But I usually start on the outer corner because it's easier. I usually apply any kind of lash on the outer corner first and then go to the inside because it's just easier for me and it's a lot quicker. Okay, so if you like to do yours a different way, then go ahead and do that. So here we go. So once you're satisfied with the position, let the magnets do the work. So you're gonna just go ahead and apply the bottom lash. Okay. So I've got the bottom, and it's also been trimmed to my liking. So you're just gonna apply it on the underside of your lash, like such. I can already feel it magnetizing to each other. Oh, I don't like that. I'm gonna try this again. And again, if you don't like the positioning, it's fine. You can just start over and pull it apart with your forefinger and your thumb. Which is what I'm doing. I'm gonna start over. And this can take some time and some work to get used to. Don't feel bad if you don't get it the first time. Practice always makes perfect. And so we're just gonna try this again. You gotta kind of move quickly too because the magnets work very fast. So got the top one. Okay. And again, you just want to connect the underside of the lash and just let it go, and voila, they're connected. I think I cut too much of the front off, but that's okay with me because my natural lashes are already kind of long, so it doesn't matter. I can just apply more mascara. I don't know if you can see that, but those lashes are connected right now. So you'll feel them snap into place, which is securing the lash strip. And I actually love these because you don't need to use any glue at all. So I don't know if you can see the difference. The lighting, I'm sorry, the lighting's kind of not too cool in here. So now I'm just gonna, so what I did is just took the bottom lash strip and positioned it underneath the natural lash. And again, you just align it with the inner corner and just kind of press it down towards the outer corner, which is kind of like sandwiching your natural lashes in between. And it gives a really dramatic look to your lashes, like you've got more mascara on. And there you have it. Okay, flawless lashes in just a few simple steps. Okay, the Ardell Magnetic Accents provide a natural looking enhancement without the hassle of glue. As you notice, I didn't use any glue. They're not falling off, they're on there. They're pretty comfortable and easy to apply and reusable. So you can use these over and over again. Just make sure you keep them in the package that it comes in. You want to keep them stored in here. And yeah, you can reuse them anytime. So let me go ahead and do the other side. And again, I'm not too worried if I cut too much off because I can actually go to the website and just order another pair at wholesale. They're really, really cheap and they have really fast shipping, which is a plus. So yeah, if I wanted to make it really drastic, you would just apply a couple of layers of mascara in the areas where your lashes aren't applied, just to have it blend in the way you want. So I usually just kind of let it dry a little bit just by maybe applying some light mascara to my bottom lashes, just to give it that natural look. And again, you can go as drastic as you want to be. I'm just doing it lightly for this video. So I'm guessing the top is about as dry as it's going to get. So I'm just going to go ahead, put my second pair into my tweezers and position it on the top where I want it. Sometimes they kind of act kind of stubborn. I kind of smudge the bottom. So I would probably wait to apply the bottom just because you don't want any too much smudging before it actually dries. You got to be really careful with tweezers though, because sometimes they can latch on to the tweezers because of the magnet. Oh, that's too far to the edge. What I love about these, you can move them around until they're to your liking. I don't think I'm gonna use the tweezers this time. Just try my hands and see how that works. So then I just apply the bottom on the underside, so you feel it snap in place. Boom, and they're connected. Just that quick. And kind of spread it, position it. And again, like I said, I would probably put more mascara in the front. And like I said, I may have cut a little bit too much off the front, but it's okay. Because like I said, I can apply more mascara to give it a fuller look, or just order another pair because I do have the website to go to. But there you have it, you guys, just that simple. The lashes are on. It kind of feels weird not using the glue, but it's so convenient and so quick. So why not give Ardell Magnetic Accents a try? I mean, once you get the hang of it, you become a pro at this. This is actually my first time applying these. What it does, you can elevate your lash game effortlessly and enjoy the stunning results, okay? They have different lashes that you could choose from, different sizes. And again, they're really easy to apply. There's no adhesive needed at all. They're reusable and they last. As long as you have those magnets connected properly, you should have no problem. So I can learn to like this, you know. It gives me that dramatic look that I want, especially if you're going out somewhere where there's going to be low lighting, or you just want to do a video or some content on social media. These are the ones. Okay, and these were trimmed down. So yeah, so I will leave a link in the description box below, actually in the comment section. Please subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any other products that are trending right now on this channel. I will be sharing more valuable content on what's trending in the beauty industry. And if you would like to get a pair for yourself, you can just click the link and voila, you'll have your own very own magnetic lashes delivered right to your door. Okay, so I will be inserting a photo in here. Until next time, bye-bye.